On the airplane to Washington State. Now it's time for the hotel room. Awesome! Yeah! 3, 2, 1, let's go! Awesome! Yeah! 3, 2, 1, let's go! Yes! Whoa. Whoa. Three, two, one, let's go! Yeah! Mario! In slow-mo. Yeah! 3, 2, 1, let's go! Yeah! Riding a ferry to Kingston.
Anyway, the census strikes so hard as
respectable but consistent.
consistent. Already.
Now for Dominoes in a VRBO house. Yes! Time for Dominoes in a hotel room. Let's go! Awesome! Yeah! Okay, let's go! Riding a ferry to Bainbridge. Stonehenge. New domino trick. How to build it. Yes!
Looks pretty good if you're uneating. I'm good right now.
Yes! I went to a toy store in Bainbridge and I got a cool toy car. Here is the unboxing. Riding a ferry back. Yay! 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 Yes! Unfortunately, the flight back was really late, so I could not build dominoes. The plane took off at 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and landed at 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Here's some cool footage of the takeoff and landing.